Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to allow pop-ups on Google Chrome. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu, click on Settings. Now, click on the Privacy and Security option on the left side. Next, click on Site Settings. Scroll down a bit and then click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Here, you can allow pop-ups for all websites by selecting the option that says Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. You can also choose to allow pop-ups only for specific websites or block them for specific sites. For example, let's add a website to the Allowed list. Click on the Add button next to the Allow section. Enter the URL of the website you want to allow pop-ups for, and then click Add. This way, even if pop-ups are turned off for all other sites, the website you added will still be able to show pop-ups. I hope this tutorial on how to allow pop-ups on Google Chrome was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to the Explore Error YouTube channel and like this video. Have a good day!